If you're thinking about signing up for Osher AI, you're going to want to watch this video. I've been testing out this AI tool for a few weeks now, and in this video, I will tell you absolutely everything you need to know about Osher AI before you sign up for yourself. Quick spoiler, Osher is not a perfect custom AI tool. However, I've chosen to continue using it over similar tools I've tested, and I'll tell you exactly why that is throughout this video. Now, if at any point while watching this video, you decide you want to try Osher AI, you'll save quite a bit of money if you click the link in the description before you create your account. Definitely take advantage of that link. It saved me a nice amount of money when I signed up. So let's not waste any more time. Here's everything you need to know about Osher AI. First off, Osher AI is a digital AI tool that was designed to create a custom artificial intelligence system for digital marketing companies that can interact with employees or customers to boost your productivity and offer quick help for any questions. In my digital marketing business, I've been using it to train a custom AI on our internal knowledge base, process documents, and files. No more searching through internal documents for the team. They can instead chat with our custom AI to get the info they need. And I gotta say, it's been working very well. It was easy to upload and train the AI on all our internal documentation, including spreadsheets, PDFs, web files, and our website's content. The way it can shift through, understand, and extract relevant information from our, let's be honest, slightly chaotic collection of documents has been a game changer. But one thing that made me hesitant at first was the pricing. It was a bit on the higher side and made me question if Osher AI is actually worth it. But I found a discount link online that gave me a significant discount. I've saved you the trouble of searching for it. You'll find the link in the description of this video, and it will save you quite a bit of money when you decide to sign up. And if you made it this far, please drop a like on the video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer every single one of them. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.